Hey, if you are serious about mastering Scrum and taking your career to the next level, I've got an opportunity that's too good to miss. Right now, I'm offering you a 12-month access to my Ultimate Scrum Mastery Bundle. It's everything you need to go from beginner to expert, whether you are just starting out or you are ready to deepen your expertise. So here is exactly what you are getting. The Scrum Master Starter Kit covers all the essentials with 50 lessons and over 7 hours of video to build your foundation. You will get the basic down and be ready to start working in a Scrum environment with confidence. Number 2 is the Medior Scrum Course is a comprehensive introduction to Scrum, perfect for taking things up a notch. With 52 lessons, this course dives into Scrum roles, events, and artifacts, showing you how to apply Scrum in real-world scenarios. Then, the Senior Scrum Program is where you really master the craft. It's packed with 368 lessons, over 35 hours of content, and tons of resources. This program goes deep into advanced Scrum practices, Agile coaching, scaling Scrum for large teams, and handling complex projects. And you will also get my Understanding User Requirements course, which will help you bridge the gap between what stakeholders want and what your team can deliver. This course has 12.5 hours of content of gathering, analyzing, and translating requirements into clear, actionable items. Next, the User Story Minicourse is designed to help you structure the work effectively so you can break down tasks and deliver value in every sprint. And you will get Crafting Product and Sprint Goal course, a practical course with quizzes and assignments to guide you in setting meaningful goals that keep teams aligned and focused. Altogether, that's over 80 hours of video content and 100 downloadable resources, practical quizzes, assignments, and supportive community where you can connect and grow. Now, normally, this entire bundle would cost you $559. But for the next 7 days, you can get it all for just $300. That's less than $1 a day for an incredible career investment. This offer is only available for 7 days, so after that the bundle won't be available as a package, and you would need to buy each course individually for over $600. Now, I've seen firsthand how this program has helped so many people land top Scrum roles, and now it's your turn. So if you are ready to make this the year you finally master Scrum, click the link below to join me. Once you enroll, you will get an email from Thinkific with all your courses and access details. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly at dejan@whatiscrum.org. Thank you, and I cannot wait to see you how far you will go.